Hello kids, today I am here with the next chapter of computer, that is time to paint. It is 6th chapter given in book number 5. So here is the chapter. We will start with the starter question first. The question is, identify the marked parts in the following picture of the paint window and label them. You have to label the paint window. So the first button we can see on the top left corner of the paint window is called a paint button. So here you will write a paint button. Second arrow shows a tool panel. So on the second box you will write tool panel. Tool panel contains eraser, pick color, magnifier, pencil, etc. In the middle of the paint window it shows the shapes. Okay, so you will write here shapes. It has predefined 29 shapes. The arrow on the right hand side of the paint window shows the color palette. Okay, you can select the text color and background color from this palette. So in the box here you will write color palette. The last arrow shows the drawing area, which is enclosed within the red boundary is the drawing area. So here you will write drawing area in the box. Now I am going to start the chapter. Let us learn about some more shapes and tools of MS Paint. The first tool we are going to read about is polygon tool. Can you tell me what is a polygon? Okay, a polygon is a closed shape made up of straight lines. Shown here are the few polygons you can see in the picture. Okay. Let us use the polygon tool of shapes group to draw a polygon. So polygon button is used to draw multi-sided shape. Okay. Now stepwise I am going to tell you how to use this tool. Step 1, click on the polygon tool. First you have to click on the polygon tool. Second step, select a color of your choice from the color group. This will be the color of the outline of the polygon. Step 3, click in the drawing area and drag the pointer to draw a straight line. Step 4, leave the mouse button. Step 5, make the mouse and click on any point in the drawing area. The point gets connected to the end point of the line you had drawn earlier. Step 6, repeat the above steps to draw as many lines as you want for your polygon. And the last step, step number 7, double click to complete the polygon. If your polygon is complete, you have to double click on it. Okay. So you have to follow all these steps if you want to draw a polygon in the drawing area. Next tool we are going to learn about is a pencil tool. Sometimes we wish to draw curved lines. We can do this with the help of a pencil tool of tools group. Let us see how. So first of all, we have to know about the pencil tool. What is a pencil tool? The pencil tool is used to draw freehand lines at a time. Now we have to learn how to use a pencil tool. Step for using the pencil tool are as follows. Step 1, click on the pencil tool. You have to take the arrow to the pencil tool and click on it, as you can see in the picture also. Step 2, click on size and select a line size of your choice. You can select the thickness of the line you want. Okay, how much thick line you want, you can select it, as you can see in the picture also. Step 3, select a color of your choice from the color group. You have to choose the color of the line from the color group. Which color line you want, you can choose it from there. Step 4. Start freehand drawing in the drawing area by dragging the pointer. Enjoy doing it. Okay? Then you can draw anything in the drawing area with the help of the pencil. Okay? Now the next tool is airbrush tool. It allows to spray an area of your image with the colors of your choice. Steps are as follows to use this airbrush tool. Step 1. Click on the down arrow under the brushes tool. You can see a brush tool here. Down arrow is there. You will click on it and you will get all kinds of brush tool. Select the airbrush tool from the option. You can see in the picture the airbrush picture. You can select it and you will get the airbrush. Step 3. Click on size and select a brush size of your choice. You can select the size of the brush on clicking the size. Step 4. Select the color of your choice from the color group. After selecting the color, click inside the drawing area and drag the pointer to color. So all these steps you can use to use the airbrush tool. Now the next tool is text tool. The text tool of the tool group allows you to type text anywhere in the paint window. It means this tool allows text to be typed onto the current layer using the primary color. The text controls in the toolbar can be used to change the font, the size of the font, etc. The first step to use the text tool is to click on the text tool. Here you can see in the picture also. So A shows the text tool. So you have to click on it. Step 2. Select the color of your choice from the colors group. Okay, here you can see the arrow number 2. From there you can select the color of your choice. Drag the pointer in this drawing area. A box with dotted outline will appear with a cursor blinking inside. You can see in the picture also. And last step, then after you can write anything on this area. Okay, so this is the last step. You can see in the picture also, here it is written Abhay. All these tools which I taught you today, you can do it practically at home. Remaining part of this chapter I will teach you in the next video. So till then, goodbye and do take care of yourself. Thank you.